the view menu. There is the one option for the view menu. Here you can see the normal. By default this is the normal view. Now this is the page break preview. This is the page layout view. Okay, so this is the normal view. Also here the see here the grid line. See here it showing the cell. This if you click here, then all goes. So this is the grid view. Also formula bar. This is called the formula bar. If you deselect, see the auto. Okay, and the heading. This one, the heading A, B, C, and the 1, 2, 3. This is the heading. If you click here, this is called the heading. If you want, then it's working. Not want, just check here the heading. Also the zoom for the which percent. Suppose 75%, going to the small. See here the small. If you want to the 200%, then come to the 200%. Okay, so custom, this is the 200%. Normally it is the 100%. So this is the, so in the view, the normal page setup, the page break, page layout, also the grid line, formula bar, heading, and also the zoom. Lots of things here. Okay, so thank you.